Hey guys, Dave here with Dent Repair Now. Just want to talk about an interesting repair we just did. We had a Subaru that, unknown what happened, something large fell on the roof and put about a 20-inch dent in the roof. We went out to the customer's house, wrote an estimate. He turned it into the insurance company. They did a photo claim on it with his photos, would not accept our estimate, and they gave him a check about a third of what we wrote to repair the roof. We brought it into the shop, removed the headliner, had it ready for the adjuster. The adjuster come in, looked at the repair, said, we want to fix it conventionally, you guys cannot repair this dent. So called the customer, Andrew Corus. He spoke with the insurance company, said that he wanted it repaired using our paintless dent repair methods, and they told him that it could not be done and that it would require a roof. He went to bat, called the PA insurance commissioner, told them that he didn't like how they were handling it. He wanted to use us because the shop wanted to pull it and move it to a body shop to cut the roof off of his car and replace it, which is all the factory seams would be messed with. They'd have to weld it. We have corrosion protection issues. So we went ahead with our paintless dent repair method. So we went ahead with our paintless dent repair method, and I just want to verify that Andrew's happy with the repair.
Extremely happy. All the factory paint it got restored. All of it looks great. Can't see any marks. Also took care of 2 other small dents that happened in the incident, and everything is perfect.
For a free estimate, give us a call or visit us at dentrepairnow.com.